Hi, this is Jason Teichner, a certified hypnotherapist, holistic health practitioner, nutritionist. So you can see I'm wearing my I survived the pandemic t-shirt today. But anyways, if you haven't watched my video from yesterday, the previous day, please watch that first before you watch this one because this is a follow-up to that one. Just a real quick follow-up on the macro minerals that I had mentioned yesterday. Yes, I am noticing a quite a difference from it. So it is it's a product called X2O, and you can get it on xooma.com, xooma.com, and it is X2O, and it is the macro mineral formula I was telling you guys about. So make sure that you get that, or if you have trouble, reach out to me. Again, minerals balance, rebalance the entire body, and rebalance the pH, which gets rid of the acidity in the body, which in turn helps with the getting rid of inflammation as well as detoxifying the body. So make sure you grab that, and I will see you on my next video. As always, if you have any questions, comments whatsoever, feel free to reach out to me in the comments section. Also, feel free to reach out to me for my website or contact information if you want to book that free 30-minute evaluation with me so I can help you with exactly what is going on with your health, what is causing all of your issues, your symptoms, and I can develop an individualized custom program just for you to completely heal everything permanently. So just let me know, and I will see you on the next video.